Who really makes money in crypto? Every day you hear about new millionaires and billionaires who yesterday was very poor people and who have become rich in crypto. Maybe now, or a few seconds ago, another meme coin flies to the moon. Maybe some of your neighbors right now writing some smart contract and tomorrow they became rich. Some crypto investor will buy some coin which no one know about, and tomorrow they will be very rich, and you still poor? You still haven't become rich in crypto? How is it possible? Who really make money in crypto? Why it's happening like that? If you would have bought Bitcoin in 2015, today you would have made more than X100. Why haven't you made your X100 this year or last 10 years, while others do it every week? Who are they? And what is their secret? This is what we will talk about today. If you hear every day about some millionaires, which yesterday wasn't millionaires, and you sometimes think what wrong with me, it's not big problem. I will explain you why. It's not your fault or their win. It's just statistics, it's working like that. Really, most of people who invest in crypto, they lose money. It's normal, but usually no one talk about it. And you can think that there exists gap between people who became rich in crypto and who invest longer and they still have very small amount of income. So you think, why so big gap between them? Don't worry, it's just normal, and I will explain you. And I will tell you about people who don't afraid about which rate of Bitcoin will be tomorrow. They just know. Yeah, they work in crypto and they know that tomorrow they will get money. Doesn't matter what will be the price of Bitcoin, because no matter how the market behaves, they will get their stable profit every maybe week, maybe month, depends. So I think we can speak about profit like we can split it on two types. First one is random, second one is stable. From other hand, we can split it for someone is with income, someone is more outcome. So will you get money or not? I offer you to split all stories when someone get money from crypto by three types. First one, when stable coins growing. So what do I mean? Usually market grow. Usually. It depends. Sometimes it can fly to the moon, sometimes it can fall. Doesn't matter. So, but usually someone became rich because, for example, he bought Bitcoin in 2015 and sold it 3 years ago. Or 2 years ago, I already forgot when its price was 100,000. Yeah, it's first type of success stories. Second type, if someone bought some shitcoin or meme coin, or doesn't matter, some coin which no one know about, or some crypto project, they buy some tokens from there, and this project or coin flew to the moon. It's second type, so it's just randomly, not stable of course. So they just was lucky. And third type, it's more stable and predictable. When some people create some projects, they buy some advertising, they just know that they will get some money. Just depends how good will be their strategy, how many resources will they spend. So it's more stable, but it's like work. They create coins, they create projects, they know how they should do marketing. They just know how to do it. And really, you can think like about it like they just know how to make money. But usually it's like some type of investment. Will it be good or not depends of your moral principles, and this is not something that I can say you about stable coins. They exist, usually they will give you profit if you will not buy it if it's very overpriced. Who knows, is it overpriced? I don't know, maybe right now it's overpriced. Maybe no. No one knows, but You know about this type of success stories. Just buy and wait. Nothing interesting. But about some small project and about not so famous coins or projects, yeah, it's interesting how people will do it, we will say later. Yeah, it's grow on the bull market and fall on the bear market. As many people have invested, so many have lost. Nothing interesting. And also I don't want to tell you about that stable coins, it's really what you need. But I will not give you some bin strategy in this video, it's general things which you should know. Let's talk about lucky persons. Remember what I told about some your neighbor who invest money or create some smart contracts and next day he woke up very rich, success, he made money in crypto. The fact is that there exist 1000 more who trying something like that and they lose. So you cannot predict it, it's just lucky. But there exists more chances. If you will try it more and more times, maybe you will win. But don't forget that you lose money too at the same time when you didn't win. Those who engage in speculation, I'm talking about short-term trading, they can lose and they can win without any prediction. You can try, but no fact will you win or no. And they think that technical analysis can help them to get more money, but I will tell you one secret: technical analysis is not working. But about this sometimes in next video. But they like to support the myth that technical analysis is working. Yeah, about this a little bit later too. If I will forget, so just know that if really technical analysis can work, you just can create a bot or some algorithm which will buy automatically and sell automatically and will have profits. But we still don't have something like that. You can find many advertising about it, but no. But it's more about second type of people who get stable profit. Also, we can remember about some smart contracts like crypto games or something. What is most important there? Go there and buy something in early stage, so early as possible, and yeah, take profit so early as possible. Because everyone knows that after some times the owner of crypto project or game will take all money and disappear. Really? So you think you will be smarter than others and you will do it earlier than others, so you will get profit. But I want to ask you two questions. Why are you sure that you will be one of the first who will take profit? And second question, do you feel good if you know that this profit which you get, this not your profit, it's also loss of other people's who will be not so fast. Now I want to talk with you about categories of people who really make money, they make it stable. It's not about lucky, it's about hard work. They do it, they know how to do it. And this is some types of them. Cryptocurrency educators. So many people don't know about cryptocurrency, but they hear some success stories. They really don't know what is it and they feel they want to invest and they think they need some additional knowledge about this. But if you think that you really know, can you say me, do you know how NFT price format for any NFT and what is the cost price of NFT? If you cannot answer me and you think you are expert, who you want to lie, who do you want to fool? I think someone fool you already, that you, if you think that you're expert or something. Maybe you're really expert, I don't know. It's just what I know. Most of the people who think they are expert in crypto, they know. Crypto educators who will study you some base, some theoretical knowledge about crypto, about proof of concepts. You will hear some lectures about history of Bitcoin, how it was created, about Satoshi, what is smart contract. But really, do you understand what is smart contract? How to write it, how it's work, what really it's mean decentralized? Yeah, there exists good some education courses, so they can study you. But really, they will get their profit very stable. They have courses, they know base, and still how long crypto exists. Still very big interest for that. Next category is influencers, celebrities who promoting crypto. For them it will be interesting. Maybe you know some actor or celebrity who advertise many of projects which became scam after. Do they have some problems right now? No, because it's their work. So their profit very stable too. Next one, advertisers and CEO of projects, crypto projects. Yeah, they know how to advertise it. They just have to honestly conduct a company and just show their face to make money. And very often, maybe you saw such people who was in some crypto project. After 1 year, you saw it in another crypto project, and you remember, his previous crypto project already scammed. So yeah, they just jump from one to next one crypto projects. Yeah, and they have their stable income because they know how to do it. And next category is traders and market makers. Yeah, if you trade coins, you know crypto exchange platforms. They usually have some fee for any transactions, so they will have their profit also. If we talk about markets, for example NFT markets, they will have their fee too. So don't worry about them, they will have their profit very stable every time. You will give them money and they will trade with it. Depends of but anyway, they will have their fee. Or maybe they will have some fixed payment for this, so it depends. But anyway, they interested and they will have their income stable. Exchanges services. You will just exchange your crypto and they will have their fee. Nothing special. And escrow services, but I want to tell you about last one. Some of them may be more or less honest, but sometimes it's scam, so they can say you off in 1 month you will get additionally 10% or more. About such things, just remember that it's possible if income will be 10% per year. All what is higher is more risky. Next category consists programmers and developers in blockchain, or not only blockchain. Some developers can create websites for crypto projects, some developers will create smart contract, architect infrastructure, or develop some decentralized systems. Blockchain is firstly some programming software, so developers will always be needed. I would like to tell you more categories, but the video may be too long, so you can see in description the link to my Telegram channel, and there you can see the whole list of categories who can have stable income in crypto in description. Before we was talking about the person who really have income, lucky and stable, but we forgot about some heroes who allow it to be. Who these heroes? I think you already know. These heroes, they brought the main amount of money in crypto world. Who is this heroes? It's you. No, maybe if you was lucky, maybe you was lucky, yes, but most of people is not so lucky. They just invest money and lose. But people who was lucky and software developers and other who we was talking about before, they will got money on these heroes who lose money. So don't worry. So usually platforms or services don't want for these heroes to know that they are heroes, because people usually like to hear success stories, and if they will really remind you about unsuccess stories, it's possible that you will lose interest about it. Just ordinary people who invest money and lose it. In this video you can see how many scam was created in 2023, and I think nothing will change in the future too. And you should remember, so if someone trade short and win, from other side of monitor there sit another person who lost his money. A programmer who will get money when he will finish some crypto project. He will receive money from the wallet of next FOMO. I want you every time remember about this side of success stories. So from other side of monitors every time see other person who lost money. So if you think you're the one who cannot found their lucky coin or lucky crypto project, don't worry about it, you're not alone. Such people exist everywhere and you are the basis of crypto world. Especially your money continue develop the crypto world. And don't worry, maybe in some day you will lose all your money and you will forget about crypto for few next years until the end of all your life. I'm joking. I just lost some money in crypto world too, so we are similar. So generally just remember, it's not your fault that you still didn't became rich in crypto. Most of people's like that, it's normal. More interesting in this world, as I told you before, it's you are the basis of this crypto world and you pay money for lose money more, because for your money they create many advertising programs and you will see, you will want to buy more. Try to stop please, because yeah, I was talking about it in another my videos, so it's like crypto bucket of crabs, why crypto investors cannot stop to do this. Some tips about how you can maybe increase your income, or it's more about tips how to stop lose so much. So we discussed who exactly makes money on crypto. We are also didn't forget about people who is bosses of this world, who is sure to say thank you. It's yourself. Just never have romantic things about the crypto world. Not only about crypto world, about any world. About money, don't be romantic about it. Otherwise it will eat you up. Remember that behind success stories there are also stories of failures. Usually happens more often than success stories. Write in comments about your success stories or unsuccess stories. Also write which group you belong to. You can also follow me on other social networks. All links are in description. I hope today's video is useful for you. Goodbye.